This is a short descriptive video of a German made flip clock. Well, I don't think it's German made, but it's a German brand anyway. Probably made in Japan. Flip clock. It was sold under several different names, this one being the most common, Garant. It's a very basic but very neat and sleek contemporary design. As you can see, it's only this casing with the glass in front of it, clockwork inside, and you know, the buttons that you would need. As you just saw, it's working just fine. Fully refurbished by me, oiled. These tabs have been repaired, they always break. The motor was oil lubricated, new light was fitted, new cable, new plug, so what more could you wish for? Turn on the alarm. There, that will do you. That will wake you up. There you go. That's a quick shot of the underside. It's not really a label. It's a label that says 200, 244 volts, 50 Hz, so for use in most European countries. That's it. Thank you for watching.